Hello everybody, I'm just going to teach you how to make your first Java program. So first you want to go to IntelliJ. So type in IntelliJ and find your IntelliJ over here. Alright, go ahead and click on that and wait for it to load. And what you'll see here is IntelliJ opened up. So what you want to do is create a new project. I'll just call this first Java project. Alright, save it wherever you'd like. And go ahead and click on the latest version of Java that you just downloaded. Go ahead and create it. And now you have this folder over here. If I open this guy up, you'll see exactly where this folder is being held. You have this idea folder, this source folder, and this implement folder file. So this idea folder is used by IntelliJ to deal with configurations. So whatever you'd like IntelliJ to be like, it will be held inside this folder right over here. Now, the one we're interested in is the source folder. This is where all your Java classes, all your packages, everything Java related will go inside this source folder. So let's right click and go into new. And right now, let's make it simple. Just click on a Java class. I'll call this main, capital M main. And now this main class, to start our Java program, let's type in public static void main. And then type in string args. Put that there, brackets, there we go. So the reason why I did this, I'll explain later on in the tutorial, but right now just go ahead and type this in. This is how we start off our Java classes. In fact, this is how you start off every Java class that you want to run. So basically what you need to know is this function right here, this little block of code, lets us run this class. So now inside this, let's tell Java to print out something that we want. Let's say hello world. So the way we do that is we type in system.out.println. And inside here, you put in a string. So these two double quotes signify a string. So let's say you want us to write Viprav. Viprav hello world. So, and you put a semicolon at the end. What this line tells us, it tells Java, it says Java to print this line of this string over here. So all you have to do right now is right click, run, and what you'll see is you will see Viprav hello world right here. So this is your first Java program. This one is very important because it shows the basics of what Java does. First of all, you'll notice that there is a new out folder over here. What Java did is when I right clicked and clicked on run, it created this out folder, and inside this out folder there's this main class. Now you might be confused because you created a main class over here too, but the difference is that this one is main.java. Main.java is your Java class. It's essentially the Java class that you write. Now main.class is the bytecode version of your class. This makes it easy for you to send this file to different computers that have Java and allow them to run Java natively on their computer. So essentially, this file is made by you. When you run your Java class, Java creates a .class file over here. So this .class file can now be shared to any computer that has Java. This is what makes Java very powerful. It's because it creates files that can be run anywhere. So let's close this guy too. Well, that's it for today. Today you learned about creating a Java class, what the main method does, and also what this line of code does. System.out.println, which prints a string that you give it. Viprav, hello world, right over here. You also learned that Java creates a .class file. This file can be used to be shared to any computer that has Java and can be run on any computer that has Java. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.